So I've just spent hours and hours and hours trying to work out how this seal goes back on a Saniflo lid, and not being able to find much on YouTube about it. Either means that everybody else sees this as quite a simple job and it's just me that got it wrong, but I thought I might share it with you because I think a few people have struggled with getting this lid to sit back on properly. So the lid of the Saniflo unit, just there. I've taken the unit apart to give it a bit of a clean out. We've had it quite a few years, not a pleasant job, and I'm still not going to film the inside of the Saniflo because you really don't want to see that. But in fairness, it's quite a simple unit. Once you take it out and take it apart, I've given it a good jet wash, cleared it all out, and just going back to put it all back together. But what I found out, this seal here, a lot of people apparently will try and put it on top of the Saniflo unit itself, around the edge there, but the seal fits into the lid, which I knew, but what I was trying to do was shove the whole seal into that edge there. I tried it that way up, I tried it the other way up, nothing would work, lid wouldn't sit properly, and no doubt, as you professionals know, I'm just Mr. DIYer who'd never done this before, is if you turn it so that, imagine that like a triangle, you've got the top of the triangle, and on the other side of the triangle is an opening, if I can get one-handed finger in there. So there's an opening there. There we go. So I've started it off, so that just slides over, and then it's pretty easy. You just push it in all the way around, so that you've got across that edge there. That's the gap that the lid, sorry, the edge of the Saniflo is going to fit into there. Bear with me, I'll do the rest of it and we'll clip it on. Finished product then. Gap on the rubber seal all the way around that edging in there. So you've got a bit of a gap between the seal and the lid, and then that fits over there. And we're all clipped into place. Hope you found that useful.